Hi, this is Julia, and this floppy drive is going crazy. What's it doing? This computer is crazy. It was even going crazier. It was like... It won't shut up. There's nothing in it. It's empty. Then why is it lighting up and doing something? Computer's doing nothing. I'm not even on anything. I don't get it. Is it because I have this window open down here? I don't know. Maybe not. What? Can you guys tell me why it's doing this? Before it was even crazier. I don't get it. Maybe this will stop it. No, it doesn't. Well, if any of you guys know what this is, tell me. Thanks for watching.